Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today, let us discuss problems based on ages. First question, the age of the father 3 years ago was 7 times the age of his son. At present, father's age is 5 times that of his son. What are the present ages of son and the father? Let the present age of the father and the son be f and s. So 3 years ago, this becomes f minus 3, s minus 3. Here it is given as f minus 3 is equal to 7 into s minus 3. And at present, f is equal to 5 into s is given. In this equation, let us substitute instead of f 5 into s. So 5s minus 3 is equal to 7s minus 21. Interchanging the terms, 2s is equal to 18, s is equal to 9. The present age of the son is 9. Second question, in 10 years, A is twice of B was 10 years ago. At present, A is 9 years older than B. Find the present age of B. Let the present ages be A and B. Before 10 years, that is A minus 10 and B minus 10. After 10 years, it is A plus 10 and B plus 10. In the question, it is given that A plus 10 is equal to 2 times of B minus 10. That is, in 10 years, A is twice of B was 10 years ago. We get this as A plus 10 is equal to 2B minus 20. So, A plus 30 is equal to 2B. A is 9 years older than B. So, A minus B is equal to 9. Now, substituting A is equal to 2B minus 30 in this. 2B minus 30 minus B is equal to 9. B is equal to 39 years. That is, the present age of B is 39 years. Question number 3. 5 years ago, sum of ages of two persons is 75 years. After 5 years, the ratio of their ages will be 14:5. Find the present age of A. Let the present ages of two persons be A and B. So after 5 years, it is A plus 5 and B plus 5. Before 5 years, it is A minus 5 and B minus 5. 5 years ago, the sum of ages of two persons is 75. So A minus 5 plus B minus 5 is 75. So A plus B we get as 85. That is, the sum of the present ages of two persons is 85. And again, it is given that after 5 years, that is A plus 5 plus B plus 5. That is 85 plus 10, which is equal to 95. So, A is to B after 5 years is given as 95. That is 14:5 is the ratio given. So, after 5 years, the ratio of the ages is given as 14:5. That is 19 parts is equal to 95. 1 part is equal to 5. So, the present ages will be 14 into 5. That is 70. This is after 5 years. So, subtract 5. That is 65 is the age of A, and 5 into 5, which is equal to 25 minus 5. That is 20 years is the age of B. 4. 5 years ago, the ratio between the ages of father and the son is 7:4. The present ratio is 8:5. Find the age of son after 10 years. Let the present ages be F and S. Before 5 years, it is F minus 5 and S minus 5. According to the question, the present ages ratio is F minus S is equal to 8 by 5. Before 5 years, this becomes 8x minus 5 by 5x minus 5 is equal to 7:4 is the ratio given. So, 32x minus 20 is equal to 35x minus 35. 3x is equal to 15. We get the value of x is 5. So, age of the son after 10 years we should find. So, S is equal to, the present age is 5x, that is 25 years. After 10 years it becomes 35 years. Fifth question, Ravi's age after 15 years will be 5 times his age 5 years back. What is the present age of Ravi? It is given that after 15 years it will be 5 times the age 5 years back. So, R plus 15 is equal to 5R minus 25. We get 4R is equal to 40. So, the present age of Ravi, that is R, is 10 years. Sixth question, R got married 5 years ago. At present, R is 1 by 4 times his marriage age. His son's age is 1 by 25th of his present age. Find the age of his son. Let the present age of R be R, and 5 years ago, that is the marriage age, be 5R minus 5. It is given that R is, that is the present age is 1 by 4, that is 5 by 4 times of his marriage age. So, we get 4R is equal to 5R minus 25. We get the value of R is 25 years. Now we should find the age of sun. So sun's age is 1 by 25th of his present age. 1 by 25 into present age of R, that is 1 year. 7th question. 10 years ago, A was half of B in age. If the ratio of their present ages is 3:4, what is the sum of their present ages? Let the present ages be A and B. 10 years ago, A minus 10 and B minus 10. Here it is given that A is to B is 3:4. We get A is equal to 3 by 4 B. From the question, A minus 10 is equal to half of B minus 10. So 3 by 4 B minus 1 by 2 B is equal to 10 minus 5. We get the value of B is 5 into 4, that is 20 years. Now age of A is 3 by 4 into 20, which is A is equal to 15 years. Sum of their present ages is A plus B, that is 20 plus 15. We get the sum as 35 years. 8th question. The ratio of ages of A and B is 4:5. If the difference between the present age of B and the age of A 5 years hence is 3. Find the sum of the present ages. Let the present ages of A and B be A and B. 5 years hence it becomes A plus 5 and B plus 5. The ratio of A is to B is given as 4 by 5. So A becomes 4B by 5. We got A is equal to 4B by 5. But in the question it is given that B minus A plus 5. The difference is given as 3. So B minus A is equal to 8. 5B minus 4B is equal to 40. The value of B is 40 years. Now we should find the age of A. A is equal to 4B by 5. Substituting B is equal to 40. 4 into 40 by 5. 32 years. Sum of present ages of A and B is 32 plus 40, which is equal to 72 years. The question, if the product of ages of Hari and Seema is 240, if twice the age of Seema is more than Harsha by 4 years, what is Seema's age? Here in the question, H into S, that is the present age of Hari and Seema's product is 240. And it is given that 2S minus H is equal to 4. From this, 2S is equal to, 2S minus 240 by S is equal to 4. 2S square minus 240 minus 4S is equal to 0. S is equal to, now substituting the values, 2 plus or minus 4 plus 4 into 1 into 120 by 2 into 1. We get this as 1 plus or minus 11, that is 12 or minus 10. The age can't be in negative, so this is wrong. 12 is correct. Let us see a note. If the product of present ages of A and B is X and the ratio of ages of A and B is A is to B, then the present age of A is given by A into root of X by AB. Present age of B is B into root of X by AB. 10th question. The product of ages of A and B is 900. The ratio of ages is 25:9. Find the present ages. The present age of A is 25 into root of X value is 900 by A into B, that is 25 into 9. 9 ones, 9 hundreds, which is equal to 25 into root of 5 ones, 5 fives. So 50 years. The present age of A is 50 years. Now the present age of B is 9 into root of 900 by 25 into 9, which is equal to 9 into 10 by 5, 2 times. So the present age of B is 18 years. 11th question. A man's age is 125% of what it was 10 years ago, but it was 83 1/3% of what it will be 10 years since. What is his present age? Let the present age be A, and after 10 years it is A plus 10, and before 10 years, that is 10 years ago, it is A minus 10. In the question it is given that 125% of A minus 10 is equal to 83 1/3% of A plus 10. So 125 by 100 into A minus 10 is equal to 83 1/3. That is 250 by 3 into 100 into A plus 10. Now cancellation. Once, 2 times, 100 and 100 gets cancelled. 3 comes to this side. So 3A minus 30 is equal to 2A plus 20. From this we get A is equal to 20 plus 30, that is 50 years. Question number 12. B is as much as younger than A as is older than C. The sum of the ages of A and C is 42 years. Find the age of B. From the statement given in the question, B minus A is equal to C minus B. So 2B is equal to A plus C. But A plus C is given as 42 years. So 2B is equal to 42. B is 21. Age of B is 21 years. In this type of question, only B's age can be found. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and share with your friends. 13th question. Jayesh is twice as old as Ram and half as old as Sam. If the sum of ages of Sam and Vijay is 85 years, what is Jayesh's age in years? The ages of Jayesh and Ram is in the ratio of 2:1. But the ratio of ages of Jayesh and Sam is 1/2:1. This can be written as 1:2. So the ratio of Jayesh's age, Ram's age and Sam's age is 2:1:4. The sum of ages of Sam and Ram is given as 85 years. That is 5 parts is equal to 85. So 1 part is equal to 17. We should find the age of Jayesh. Jayesh's age is 2 parts. That is 2 into 17. 34 years. Question. A says to B, I am twice as old as you were when I was as old as you are. Sum of their ages is 63. Find the difference of their ages. Let the present age of A be X and the present age of B be Y. X minus Y years ago, the age of A is X minus Y. So this is Y years. The age of B, X minus Y years ago, is Y minus X minus Y. This becomes 2Y minus X. In the question it is given that X plus Y is equal to 63. From this we can write X is equal to 2 into Y minus X minus Y. That is X is equal to 2Y minus 2 into X minus Y. X is equal to 4Y minus 2X. 3X is equal to 4Y. Now take this as first equation and take this as second equation by solving 1 and 2. By solving first and second equation. By solving first and second equation, we get X equal to 36 and Y is equal to 27. So the difference in it, that is X minus Y. 36 minus 27 is 9 years. 15th question. 15 years hence, A will be twice as old as B. But 5 years ago, A was 4 times as old as B. Find the difference of their present ages. Let the present ages be A and B. After 15 years, A plus 15, B plus 15. 5 years ago, A minus 5 and B minus 5. From the question, it is A plus 15 is equal to 2 into B plus 15. And A minus 5 is equal to 4 into B minus 5. Solving these two, A plus 15 is equal to 2B plus 30. A is equal to 2B plus 15. Now substituting A value, 2B plus 15 minus 5 is equal to 4B minus 20. We get 2B is equal to 30 and B value is 15 years. Substituting B is equal to 15 in this, A minus 5 is equal to 4 into 15 minus 5, that is 10, 40 years. So the difference is A minus B, that is 45 minus 15 is, the difference is 30 years. Please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Press bell icon to get notified.